Na-experience niyo ba na lahat ng ginagawa mo nagki-click? Di mo alam bakit pero lahat ng things nagfo-fall into its rightful places. Yung decisions mo, yung actions mo, binibigay na yung gusto mong mangyari. Less yung friction and wala masyadong humaharang. Welcome to the Brewing a Batayo podcast. This is Rayuel, and this podcast is about the realities, self-worth, life experiences, lessons, and everything in between of 30-somethings shared by someone who's navigating life in his 30s blindly and with the help of stories from others, because at the end of the day, you don't need to have it all figured out. And so, ang dami nangyari recently and ang dami ring naging lindol sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. So, for those who haven't received or sana magkaroon din naman ng chance na magkaroon ng go bag or emergency kit, prepare na lang kayo ng sarili ninyong emergency kit kasi di natin control kung kailan darating yung emergency kit from our LGUs. But you can prepare already, talk about with your family kailan or saan kayo magkikita if ever calamities happen, kasi baka most likely wala na ring signal nun, if talagang malala yung mangyayari, no? So, ayun. So, please take care. Pagdasal natin na maging okay pa rin in the coming days and years na wag sana tamaan, or if sa tamaan man, yun nga, di natin alam kung kailan darating, di ba? If that time comes, maging okay naman lahat. So, yun. Just prepare ano yung kaya niyang makontrol. So, speaking of, diba? So, yun natin pinag-usapan today. Napansin nyo ba? Yan. Napansin nyo ba, may mga times na kahit anong pilit natin sa isang bagay para mangyari, hindi ito nagmamaterialize, pero pag nag-start ka na mag-let go, pag tinanggal mo na yun sa isip mo, saka naman sila dumarating. Saka dumarating yung blessings. Mas binibigay yun para sa'yo. Labo, no? So, not just in relationships, but in your career or in your business, bigla na naman gumaganda yung mga bagay-bagay. So, that moment when life starts to begin to align hindi dahil sa you really worked harder, pero it's part of the equation. Pero dahil natuto ka na let go of control. So, for today's episode, we'll talk about ikokontrolin ko ba or magle-let it go ako? Or let it flow? So, saan tayo nanggagaling? During our 20s, madalas nakikita natin na para maging successful, you really have to work hard. Sleep is for the weak, and hindi ka dapat titigil hanggat di mo na-achieve yung success na gusto mo. Pero yung totoong na-achieve natin, pagod, puyat, frustrations, kasi kahit anong gawin mo, parang walang nangyayari. Kaya nabata tayong 30s. So, I used to think success is about control, na if I plan enough, do whatever it takes, push enough, pray harder, makukuha ko yung goal ko. Pero actually, na-frustrate lang naman talaga kasi hindi nga na nangyayari. So ako naisip na baka kaya kahit anong pilit ko, hindi dahil sa tamad ako or what. Sinasabi ni Lord or ni Universe na, teka, di pa tama yung timing, or baka di pa ako ready, or baka may kailangan pa akong matutunang mga bagay-bagay. So, sample tayo, no? Naalala niyo ba nung nag-aaral pa nag-aaral pa tayo, lalo na yung nasa math problems or engineering problems, ang sketchy, di ba? Kapag nakuha mo kagad yung tamang sagot. Ang problema pa niyan, pag nakita mong ikaw pa lang yung nakatapos or kasabay mo yung pinakamatalino or baka nauna mo pa yung pinakamatalino matapos, mapapaisip ka talaga na, may mali ba? Bakit ang dali nung question? Kahit na i-flip mo pa yung exam paper mo, bakit may exam ba? Or di mo alam kung anong pwede mangyari. Na kahit na mahaba yung solution mo and then yung answer mo, nandoon sa multiple choices na usually dapat nearest lang yung sagot mo, mapapaisip ka talaga na, bakit ganun? Or example din is yung kapag supposedly 1 hour worth of exam, natapos pa siya ng 15 to 20 minutes lang, parang mapapaisip ka na naman, hindi ito tama. Pero kasi baka mamaya, there are series of events na natututunan mo talaga yung lessons, kaya nagagawa mo kagad yung, nasagutan mo kagad siya ng tama. 'Di ba? Naging sketchy ka lang, naging skeptical ka lang, which is ayun, naging skeptical lang ako na bakit ko na kaagad nakuha yung sagot. Na-feel niyo ba 'yan? Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang 'no, pero 'yan, nangyari din siya sa akin before. Tama naman, pero yun nga, parang ang bilis ko makatapos, which is very sketchy. So same goes ngayon adulting na na-experience niyo ba na lahat ng ginagawa mo nagki-click? 'Di mo alam bakit, pero lahat ng things nagfo-fall into its rightful places. Yung decisions mo, yung actions mo, binibigay na yung gusto mong mangyari. Less yung friction and wala masyadong humaharang. So I think that's the time when you're in your flow kasi you're just letting things be. Hindi mo pinipilit yung mga bagay-bagay, pero para sa'yo yung mga yan. You trust in your pace, hindi ka nagmamadali kasi hindi mo nga siya pinapwersa or hindi mo siya pinipilit. Pero di ka rin mabagal or di ka rin naman tinatamad. You trust in the process kasi may mga previous lessons ka ng natutunan. And you trust na everything's happening for you is really meant for you. Ang daming beses na nangyari to sa akin na hindi ko maintindihan nung una, bakit nangyari to sa akin. Kaya nung dumating yung time na I stopped chasing results, pero I just focus on showing up, being present, and continuously improving myself. Kasi ito lang yung mga bagay na controllable ko eh. Dumating na yung mga opportunities, dumating yung mga clients, and even the people that I need in my life, dumating kasi we're really aligned. So bakit nga ba the more that we push something, the more na hindi binibigay yung blessing sa atin or mas mahirap ibigay yung blessing sa atin? Kasi science-based din tayo. Ano to? Newton's third law of motion. Diba? The more that we push, the more na may resistance. In every action, there's an equal and opposite in direction na action. Now that we're in our 30s, we have to be efficient kung saan natin ilalagay yung energy natin. So, bakit? Kasi we crave for stability, we crave for peace, we crave that mas efficient yung energy natin. Kasi the more that we control on something, the more that we don't have peace. 'Di ba? So, sample tayo, 'di ba, if you're experiencing yung being micromanaged by your manager or ako rin mismo if nag-micromanage ako ng tao, it means that I'm not in peace kasi hindi ako sure if nagagawa ba ng tama or what. Pero if I let it go, bahala ng creativity ng tao, how he or she will do it, mas may peace, 'di ba? Tiwala. So how could you know? How would you know if you need to control or just let it flow or just let it go? So number one, control what's within your influence. So if something happens, depende yun sa ano mo, if something depends on your action, you have to control it. So example tayo dito, habits mo, mindset mo, the way you respond to your problems, and the energy you bring sa work mo or even in your relationships. These things are your responsibilities. Wala kang ibang pwedeng sisihin kundi sarili mo lang. Number two, let go if the factors includes outside of your influence. So ano yung mga example na to? Timeline, like, dapat 30s, meron akong ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Example yun, no? How people will respond. So, hindi mo alam ano yung actions nila kasi iba-iba naman ng personality ng mga tao. And also, yung outcomes or yung results. di mo alam ano, marami kasi yung factors to consider and you cannot control every factors na maga na pasok doon sa formula, sa equation. Kaya yung outcome, let's let it be. So, bigyan tayong sample. You cannot control yung traffic sa EDSA kasi yan na lang, biglang may banggaan or may biglang may sira or what. Pero kontrolado mo kung anong oras ka alis ng bahay. Next is you cannot control what other people will do, like gossiping or bad-mouthing other people, but you can control the way you respond on what you're hearing. Gusto mo, let it go mo ba siya? Mag-stop na siya sa'yo? Or may kisama ka pa sa pagpasa nung chismis na yan sa ibang tao? And isa pa example is hindi mo rin makokontrol ano yung makikita mo sa social media. Kasi technically, hindi mo naman control ano i-feed sa'yo nung social media platform. Sila bahala kung ano yung ibibigay nila sa'yo, pati mga sponsored ads, etc., etc. Pero, you can control what you'll do, who you follow, and if magko-consume ka ng social media. So, to sum it up, and to help you make it simpler, ito lang yung need nyo i-consider. Control your actions and let go of what's beyond of your control. Ulitin natin. Let go of your actions. Ulitin natin. Control your actions and let go what's beyond your control. So, in other terms, have I done my part? Have I given the best that I can? Then, if yes, then trust that what's meant for you will be given for you. Alam mo yun, yung ganong action, you'll have more peace. Hindi siya nakapagod kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na you've done your part. And then you'll have more energy to spend with your loved ones kasi mas naging efficient yung energy mo. Ngayon, balik natin dun sa lindol. Hindi natin kontrolado kung ano pwede mangyari. Hindi natin alam kung kailan siya tatama. But we can control when we'll prepare for our emergency bag, when we'll prepare for our emergency kit, and ano yung sasabihin natin sa ating family members, sa ating loved ones. So, saan tayo magkita-kita if ever something happens like that? Same goes, isisingit ko na rin si insurance. Well, that's the purpose of why you're getting earlier while you're still young, while you're still able, while you're still healthy about insurance kasi mawawala at mawala rin tayo in the future. Ang tanong naman dyan is when. And hindi natin alam kung kailan yung mangyayari. So why not let's prepare for it? Let's prepare for the funds of the future of our children. Let's prepare for the funds for our dependents. Or if wala ka man dependent, sooner or later, when we go old, ikaw ang dependent mo. So why not prepare a medical fund then for yourself? Yung enough para hindi ka dependent sa ibang tao. So, ayun. So, if you think this episode resonates sa'yo, if you know someone who needs to let it flow, who needs to know that you can't control everything, tag nyo sila, share nyo itong podcast episode na ito sa kanila, and then, if something came up, you want to talk about it, message nyo ako, tag me in your stories at Your Life Engineer sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and let me know ano pa yung next na topic na gusto nyo pag-usapan. Take care. Pagdasal natin na maging okay lahat. And, ayun. Advance Merry Christmas na ba? So, ayun. Thank you!